Hello, beautiful creative people. Welcome to the RIO Dress, our newest PDF sewing pattern. In this video, you'll learn how to sew this light and flirty off-shoulder summer dress with an elastic top and high waist. It's a beginner-friendly pattern. No zippers, no buttons, just effortless style and total freedom to move. Perfect for sunny days, beach holidays, and easy weekend sewing. So, get your fabric ready and let's start sewing your new favorite summer dress. Step 1. Finishing the top edges. Take the front-facing, back-facing, front and back pieces and finish their top edges as follows. Fold the top edge to the wrong side twice by 0.5 centimeters, pressing each fold. Step 2. Assembling the facings. Place the front-facing and back-facing pieces right sides together and stitch the side seams. Finish the seam allowances using an overlocker, serger, or a zigzag stitch on your sewing machine. Then finish the lower raw edge of the entire facing piece with an overlocker or zigzag stitch. Top stitch the folded and pressed top edge close to the fold. Press well. Step 3. Joining front and back. Mark the underbust elastic stitching line using large hand basting stitches or tailor's chalk. Place the front and back pieces right sides together and stitch the side seams. Finish the seam allowances with a serger or a zigzag stitch. Top stitch the folded and pressed top edge close to the fold and press. Step 4. Joining the dress and the facings. Place the facing onto the dress with wrong sides together so that the top edge of the facing extends 0.7 centimeters above the top edge of the dress. We place the facing's wrong side to get a neat finish on the inside of the dress. If you don't mind how the inside looks, you can place the right side of the facing instead. Stitch the facing and the dress together, sewing 1 centimeter from the top edge of the dress. Stitch the top 1 centimeter of the side seams to keep the facing's finished seam allowances secured and hidden. Stitch the lower edge of the facing to the dress, leaving a small opening, 4-6 centimeters, for inserting the elastic later. Make sure the casing you've created for the elastic is more than 1 centimeter wide. Step 5. Inserting the elastic. Measure your upper bust circumference with a measuring tape. Cut a 1 centimeter wide elastic to a length equal to your upper bust measurement minus 2 to 5 centimeters, depending on how stretchy your elastic is. Insert the elastic into the top casing through the opening you left earlier. Sew the elastic ends together and distribute the gathers evenly around the casing. Stitch the opening closed. Press the top edge of the dress, turning the outer layer slightly outward to reveal the inner facing and give your dress a playful look. Step 6. Hemming. To finish the hem, fold the bottom edge of the dress to the wrong side twice by 1 centimeter, press and top stitch close to the fold. Press the hem again after stitching. For a perfectly even hem, mark a line 4 centimeters from the bottom edge on the wrong side. Fold the raw edge up to that line and press. Then fold it up once more to the pressed crease and press again. Step 7. Sewing the elastic under the bust. Measure your underbust circumference and cut a 1 centimeter wide elastic to this length. Try on the dress and place the elastic along the marked underbust line. If the position feels comfortable, keep the line as is. If not, adjust it up or down as you prefer. Sew the elastic ends together. Divide both the elastic and the dress into quarters. Pin the elastic to the inside of the dress at these quarter points. Sew the elastic evenly along the line using a 3-step zigzag stitch. Across the full width of the elastic, with a stitch length of 1.52 millimeters. If your sewing machine doesn't have a 3-step zigzag, use a regular zigzag stitch instead. Step 8. Making and attaching the tie, cut a fabric strip 3 centimeter wide, fold it in half lengthwise and press. Fold both raw edges toward the pressed center fold and press again. Fold in half once more to enclose the raw edges and press. Top stitch close to the open edge. Attach the center of the tie to the center front of the top edge of the dress. And that's it. Enjoy your beautiful new RIO dress made by you with love. If you enjoy sewing simple and feminine designs, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and check out our other PDF sewing patterns, all made to bring effortless beauty to your handmade wardrobe. Let's make sewing joyful and easy together.